What is up, guys? It has been quite a while since I've made a video, and even longer since I've made an unboxing video. So today, we are going to be unboxing the Apple AirPods. Now, I know I'm a little bit late to this party, but I finally got myself a pair. So mine actually already have a hole in this plastic wrap around them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go off that and open it the rest of the way here. Well, here's the box. Let's go ahead and open this up now. Opens just like an iPhone box does. Alright, so in the box, it's kind of hard not having an overhead camera for this. Trust me, I tried, but I just couldn't find a way that would look good. Right on the top, we have a Designed by Apple in California packet with, of course, a quick start guide and no Apple stickers. Okay, cool. Directly under that are the actual AirPods, so they are, oh wow, look at that. It actually came with a lightning cable. I mean, I guess you're spending as much as these cost. It better come with a lightning cable, but no Apple stickers. The AirPods themselves are wrapped up in this plastic here, so that kind of sucked a little bit, but it's okay. And that just comes off right like that. It's fit pretty well on there, but that's pretty much what you're going to be expecting from Apple products anyway. Now inside here are the actual AirPods themselves. These are brand new, never been used before, and they're literally just the earpods without a wire. And trust me guys, I have used these before I bought them. I'm not going to be editing with them because you never want to edit anything with Bluetooth. It's just the latency is too much, and you know, you got all the other trash with it. But yeah, there you go guys. That is my very rushed unboxing of the Apple AirPods. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until the next video guys, that is going to be it. So thank you for watching.